ZSH npm/node/nvm command not found after installing OhMyZSH. After installing OhMyZSH on my Linux machine, previously installed nvm, node and npm are not found. Thanks for the help. This command source ~nvm/nvm.sh allows me to make it work. However, when I restart terminal or open new tab, terminal says that commands are not found. Config ~/.zshrc file.
Added this line too. /ZSHRC file. Working great. Original source, this URL.
I was having the same problem after exiting the terminal. The nvm command was not found. So to fix this you have to add this line of code on your ZSHRC file. To do that, type vim ~/.zshrc, then add the following lines in the bottom, and to save the file click Ctrl then press column WQ. To save file in Vim you can also use nano.
Adding plugin nvm, just edit. ZSHRC file. Plugins equals git nvm. Close terminal, reopen terminal. Hope this solves the problem on your machine too. Found this solution from this blog post, this URL.
I faced the same issue. Details and gist. Tried sourcing the node, nvm, npm paths in the ZSHRC and profile file and modified the system and environment variables in Windows. None of these steps helped me to resolve the issue. I think the issue is ZSH and Bash terminals treat things differently. When installed in Bash terminal, the default location for the Node.js in Windows will be set to the above one is symlinked to C:\bar. No matter how much I try to alias these things in ZSH, only Node and nvm are working with aliases. npm is failing to locate the necessary lib files. The only solution that worked for me is reinstalling Node in ZSH terminal. Removed the Node versions installed via nvm in Bash terminal, removed the nvm in Windows via control panel, installed the nvm in the ZSH shell, installed the Node latest LTS version from which npm is also installed. Post-installing the node via nvm and ZSH, I observed the following things. Paths for the node, nvm, npm and amp, npx have been automatically added to the $path variable. Node directory is not available neither in C:\mar. This video really helped me in reinstalling the node in ZSH, this URL.
Just add nvm or node in your plugins. Reboot or terminal. Then, good to go.
Just kill everybody.